I dey stay for Bendel Estate here. Na Canada dey stay. Me and my family dey stay for Canada. But my house dey for Bendel Estate. I don't know whether some time ago, when I hear say they pick one chief, they carry am because of COVID-19 for Bendel Estate.
Yes.
Na me be the chief.
Oh.
And I don't hear many people they say COVID-19 not be real. So I say make I come follow una talk today. I want to ask one or two questions. How many people believe say COVID-19 dey exist? No, not tell me the truth. How many people believe say COVID-19 dey exist?
It exists, though. It exists today.
Listen to video where they talk.
I believe say yes. But what I dey see for this a data state that if you say no, they are abroad. I be cheap for the exist.
Thank you very much. So now, I want to let una know today, say, waiting my sister still talk. You know me before, but I dey come here, they come buy something. My house is for Bendel Estate here. But waiting she talk, so now many people see the talk. Some people say they don't see the person, they don't know the person where the thing happened to. They never show the person face. I say make I can't tell now today, say now me be the person where they carry for Bendel Estate, so say the thing are real. I stayed for isolation center for Ogara for 36 days. Then na God now deliver me, not the human being. They give me drugs, they give me everything. I passed through the valley of shadow of death. But God used somebody to deliver me. Who God used to take deliver me. Maybe this person where we see you, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, the governor of Delta State. People they say if you go there, say no food, no this, no this. My sister, na lie. It's just like say I can't tell our mama say I carry pregnancy for 9 months. Man fit born pikin? No. Not be woman they born pikin. So who na go believe? Not be person wey be say go there, go experience the thing, come back, they can't tell una say this one na so na so. If you not be say it be. So I say make I can't tell una because where I pass so, if something happen to me, I no fit can't tell una. And I be saying I mean I see kill una too, but I need to kill human being. So and I'm waiting God say make I tell una, and I mean they do so. So see, they say food not there, food not there. See the food that they give us every morning. Pepper soup and yam and fruit. Better pepper soup and yam. In the afternoon, see egusi soup. What's not the food where they give us where Okowa give us periwinkle and owu. That one you go talk what you want shop. Not be say they go pay one kind for you. Now wait till you want eat. Now you go tell them, Okowa don't try. Okowa give people money make they do. If you give me money and not do the thing for you, not be me like us out, not be Okowa. Okowa don't try. He dey try, he dey give people money make they do the work. So I beg, as I dey follow now they talk to, make una still go tell other people, say COVID-19 na real. Now my name now dey for back of my head, so make una look am. Na me be the person. These people when I carry waka today, they not believe am before too. Now when I tell them, they know me one-on-one. They talk say, look, if not be you can't tell us say COVID-19 na real, we will not believe am. America today, yesterday, 100,000 people neither die. The thing they keep people like chicken. So I said make I come deliver am to now. I thank una very much. So anybody where get any bad might also go and need the work. I not come here come tell una say the governor of Delta State see what they do before, see what they do. Now waiting consign me. Everybody get your own opinion. Waiting he get about government. Everybody know what to do. My own and una own. The idea when I get about government go they different just make everybody talk. But this COVID-19 where would they talk so? The man and the federal government they don't spend money. He not put Okowa not put the money for a pocket. So now where they sell food, they make una see what they give us for them. So at the end of the day, I beg, how una go tell no say una not get COVID-19? Now 2 ways. You fit get COVID-19, you're not going to get the symptom because why your blood, you get some people blood what say it hot like a water not be so the thing not go feel affect and but the thing there. But you fit give am to somebody where e blood low, where immune system low. Na so the thing dey work. But I encourage people, the thing na free. Governor say the thing na, you no dey pay money, you no dey pay hospital bill, you no dey buy drug, he do everything for free. So why we won't kill our own self? Some people say na stigma, say that they stigmatize themselves. No, why you dey fear? Some people now don't come talk to doctor on their own. Say that they go drink agbo. And now for Lily Clinic, I go Lily Clinic for 3 days. I dey battle the thing for my house for 4 days. They give me injection for Lily Clinic. I see the cough, I see the sneeze. My wife and my children dey Canada. Not be small thing for happen for my enemy. I drive 3 o'clock go Lily Clinic. They give me injection for 3 days. Everything still remain the same. The 4th day again, I go there. They give me drug for 2 days. He not still work. And may God bless Dr. Victor. Now I say, look, all these things where they do, I don't spend 110,000. Now I say, more do COVID test. Now be the COVID test what we do. Now be the next day where they go carry me. On the 8th, that they go carry me from my house here with ambulance. So all this apropos and too much talking. I know what make una talk and we get COVID-19. So I dey beg. Not go to talk, hey, I not get. How you go to say you no get? You no go feel no. Until doctor, not say they go catch you. That time when they say make us go do COVID test. Police not there. Army not there. And for people say I rebuke. I don't want to do am. But as I rebuke, so we don't see people where rebuke. When they rebuke go 6 feet. So they're not by our portion. So my coming here to educate you now. I stayed there for 36 days. COVID-19 are real. So if you not know me, when I look, they come in, they come by to tell me this. So why me they talk to you now that it will far distance? Because when I deal like this. How they say they contact the team? If somebody cough, you go fit get am. So that is why they tell me you put on your nose mask. If the person cough, you not go fit get am. And you nobody just say mama and papa and pikin. You don't know where your pikin waka reach. You don't know where your husband waka reach. You don't know where your wife waka reach. I beg una, you don't do. I thank una for listening to me. May God bless all of you.